There's something very soothing about the rain. People hold a lot of mistaken beliefs about California. Los Angeles usually comes to mind first, then maybe San Francisco and the Silicon Valley. The land where the sun always shines. But this is not true. Where I live in the Santa Cruz mountain range, the summers are long and hard. They sometimes last through November, and we have to be proactive about fire danger. These forests evolved to burn, so we routinely clear away dead brush and branches. It is both better for the ecosystems and the safety of our homes. But in a normal year, enough rain falls upon our redwood-covered mountains to classify the area as a rainforest. Sometimes we flood, and in our most recent El Niño year, we were deluged with rare atmospheric rivers, one after another. The heavy rains encourage the growth of the wild grasses and foliage, which die off in the dry months, creating tinder and increasing fuel for wildfires. And so the cycle continues. Living with such contrasts means a constant strive for balance. There are nights below freezing, and days, like this recent one, when it was so hot, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 Celsius, that I actually grew nauseous. The trees and their soothing leaf whispers helped heal me. But there can be no dark without light, no life without death. The sun and the heat means the rain and cold are treasured when they arrive. The first hearth fire is always cause for celebration, as is the tint of brown that adorns our skin with the first true rays of heat months later. We all have this dance within us, the extremes of highs and lows, the wildfires ravaging our hearts and minds with passion and anger, the frosts numbing us, the cold enveloping us into a muffled darkness. And so we must learn to adapt and grow despite, no, in spite of these extremes. We find shade in the heat and warmth in the frigid, for the earth does not stop spinning, and there is no such thing as an easy life. So now, when the heat has already returned, I'm taking a moment to welcome, farewell, and cherish the last of the gentle spring rains. Like all things, I know they will come again. Remember that you are here and alive, and that fact makes you strong. Though wildfires and storms may sometimes rage within you, their time will pass. The soft spring rains will return, and through it all, you shall thrive.